So now we are coming to trigonometry. This is trigonometry board. Here children can make angle of elevation, angle of depression, and verify and learn about trigonometry. So it has a lot of things. It has it is like this. So this can rotate in any side, and we can fix it in the center. And this will tell you the angle of elevation or depression here. And we have this something like this, which we can use to fix it in a place. This can be called a stopper like this. So suppose this is, you stop it as 45 degree. And then, they can use, this can be used for this is base, perpendicular and hypotenuse we can find out. And these are the various scales which can be used for measuring the height and distance. We can measure the distance, height and all that. And we can, with tan theta, we can find the perpendicular, hypotenuse or whatever it is. So it can be used to verify different formulas of trigonometry. And they can do verify the trigonometric ratios also. So these have a lot of this kind of scales, and if there are set square, it can be used for measuring.